Once upon a time, in the 18th century, a group of enslaved Igbo people were brought to the shores of St. Simon's Island, Georgia. The Igbo people were known for their strong cultural traditions and fierce resistance against slavery. When they arrived at the plantation, the Igbo people refused to accept their fate as slaves. Instead, they devised a plan to regain their freedom. They decided to walk into the nearby river and drown themselves, believing that in death they would be able to return to their homeland. On the day of their plan, the Igbo people walked towards the river in unison. They sang songs of their homeland and carried with them the hope of freedom. As they reached the edge of the river, they held hands and walked into the water, one by one. As they walked, their voices grew louder and more powerful. They refused to accept the fate that had been forced upon them. They believed that in death, they would be able to return to their homeland and live free once again. Legend has it that as they reached the middle of the river, the water began to rise and swirl around them. The Igbo people continued to sing and hold hands, determined to regain their freedom. Suddenly, the water parted, and the Igbo people walked on the water, disappearing into the horizon. Today, the site where the Igbo people walked into the river is known as Igbo Landing. It is a place of great cultural significance, and is seen as a symbol of resistance against slavery. The memory of the Igbo people lives on, and their story serves as a reminder of the strength and resilience of the human spirit.